Oh. Do you want an umbrella?
Why?
To cover it for the sun?
Yeah.
I did bring one for that purpose. Why? I hear ya. The things that you don't think you need. Oh, yes. I'm video cameraing.
Why?
Because I'm taking the fire burner.
Oh.
No, I'm not. I don't know what I'm doing. Here. Perfect. Nice. OMG. Goddamn, this is amazing. Go skip some more rocks later, we will too. Okay. Look and look. After we cook, we'll take off, okay? Go walk around and look. Okay. I sort of want to find the sign during the daytime. Let me take pictures. That old sign that we saw yesterday, or the Thursday. Quotes and lyrics. Where is the bird's nest?
I don't know.
Do you see the eagle right there?
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Uh-huh. Up in that tree. The tallest tree.
Right.
I saw the eagles, and that's where I saw another eagle's head.
Yeah.
I can't see it from here.
There we go. Just put it all up. God, I hate people that talk like that.
Really high
No bass to your voice. It's questionable.
A little bit.
Yes, thank you. Bass in this place.
I accidentally closed the umbrella.
Push it all the way in, or push it all the way back up, but don't shoot me with it. Now push the button. There you go. Nice, yes. You're so funny. Oh, I had it going good, and then, oh, we had a nice little fire. I know you're not supposed to say things like that, but who cares? You're not supposed to say mean things. Why not? Maybe you don't like something, you should be able to say it.
Pull my hair out.
Are you listening?
No.
If you don't like something, you should be able to say that. That's the point. If you don't like it, you should be able to say it. You see what I'm saying? I just want to point that out. I just want to make that statement. If something drives you crazy, you should say, "Oh my God, that's driving me insane," instead of just masking it over and pretending like everything's okay.
You know,
What? Oh, some hair.
my hair. My heart.
It was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure they don't steal anything. And we do have our thing there, and little kids like our thing for some fucked up reason. I mean, it is great for little kids, but it's ours. No little kid yesterday trying to play in it. Happens every day. Every time.
Why?
Because it's amazing. You would want to play in it because it's yours.
Mm-hmm.
That's why. I can't get in here now. Where's what's happening?
Ooh. Oh. Ooh.
It's burning under it. Oh yeah, we got a nice little order of the smolder happening. And I feel like this edge right here has got some sappy stuff in it. If I could get that lit up. We'll get some sun. You're not going to, but that's okay. If you want to get sunshine, today's a good day.
No. Oh, this is the bird poop.
What?
You see all the bird poops in there?
There's a bird. That must be for people with pets. It looks like there's an area with fencing.
Was that a bird on my umbrella?
Oh, it must have been. It flew off.
Huh.
Oh, this is so cool. You can go over there and swing. It's so sweet. Love it here. Love it, love it, love it.
Well, I remember when we were living together, we would have to walk.
You see anything in the water?
No.
Once these start cooking, we can sit on that bench together and move away from the flame for a second while it cooks. I just realized I've been video cameraing this whole time, which is amazing. That's
Wait,
fun.
what if it got the bird on my umbrella?
Oh, probably did. Put it back up there. Maybe flew in front of the camera. It's pretty much in front of the... I'm going to stop.